Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before your LP record I've put some black paint on there. I'm going to do a reverse wipe, try to get a nice flower. I'll just keep it in the middle there. I'll just take a little bit of this off from my hands. I've got a medium colour blue, which was cyan, and I've mixed some white with it, and orange, white, and of course the black background. So first up, get the lid off the white, and I'm going to do a spiral. Really, I would make a terrible snail. So that's my spiral. Now I'm going to try and get some of this, oops. Oops. Well, perhaps I should have had some bottles. Okay. I think I'll go over it again with the white. What do you think? Yes. All right. Probably end up with too much paint. We'll soon see in a second or three. So, only just enough. Put it over so I don't have any air bubbles under there. Pretty sure that's taken them all out, and we'll see what we've got. Okay, let's have some more white. Try again. The recipes for these paints and pouring medium you'll find below show more under this video, along with a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. Looking a lot better. And where's my knife? Have to bring some of this into the centre, I think, if it wants to, which I don't think it does. I don't like it at all. So, I'm going to try again. And have something this time. Well, it's pretty, but I don't know. All right, let me torch it for a second and see. I'll wipe my hands. Maybe some cells will come up and make it look a little bit nicer. Oh, I have to walk in front of you, please excuse me. And where did I put my lighter? There. And again. No. So I really don't know. Alright, so I'm going to put, I'm not losing it yet. Go around. Dab of blue in the middle with a dab of orange. Okay, let's try this one. Maybe some white around the outside. Like that. I think I've got the air bubbles out. I've even moved some of the paint out here. These corners up. And it's looking worse. So I'm going to do this. And this. And then some more white. And, excuse me. Hook or by crook, something's going to happen here today. Okay. Apart from running out of black. Hopefully that's covered. Oh yes, finally we have liftoff. Well, how cool is that? and I can see a fish right here. With his fins. And around. And a lovely eye, which needs a dog of white. Let me see, can I scratch a piece off here? Okay, oops. I think he's a rather handsome fish. Making his fins come up a bit more. He's got a big smile on his little face, so cute. Just getting a bits of black here to define some of these fins a little. Okay, I'm going to leave him alone and wipe my hands. And the other one, I don't know yet. Oh, let me have a look. Let's get rid of some of this looky paper. Alright, so if I bring this one over in front of you and put the itty bitty fitty, as you can see him, over here. Now let me see this. Just some big bubbles. And this looks like a flower. Right, and give me some white. And I'll just do a couple of stamens. And no barking. Okay, so just take those lumpy bits off. Not quite impressed. So I'm going to wipe my hands and then I'll bring you down to, I'll let you have a look. How cool is this? Didn't start off at all doing a reverse swipe, but or is it a sandwich? Reverse sandwich. Whatever it is, I did it. So there's the first one. That was on the bottom, and you can see quite clearly my fish there. It looks like one of those fighting fish. And it's really quite pretty. It's got a nice happy smiling face on him. And then over here, which was the top one, it's rather a nice sort of florally look. Yeah, it's very nice. Thank you very much for watching. I think I said that the recipes for the paints and pouring medium are down below. Show more under this video. A link there also to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come across there and join us there. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. and click the little bell. You'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. Thank you very much for watching. Please give these the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. So bye for now.